and welcome to NBA All-Star 2020. Yeah. We are very excited and very fortunate to be here in Chicago for All-Star Weekend. But as thrilled as we are for the weekend to begin, we have to acknowledge the losses that our NBA family have endured this year. The passing of NBA Commissioner David Stern and the tragic accident that resulted on the loss of my dear friend and former teammate Kobe Bryant, along with his beautiful daughter Gigi, and the 7 other victims have left us, heartbroken. I know these losses weighed heavily on all the sports world, and especially in those of the NBA family.
David and Kobe's contributions to the NBA, to the WNBA, to the game of basketball, it's impossible to measure. We literally wouldn't be standing here right now without David, whose brainchild was the NBA All-Star Game. And Kobe, 18 All-Star appearances, 4 MVPs, and an epic dunk contest win. Like their impact on the court and on the game, they'll never be forgotten.
That's right. Basketball is now a global game because of David and Kobe. I'm proud to have worked with them and to have been able to call them friends. All-Star Weekend is an event of a celebration of the pure love of basketball, a love that both men embodied. I know both of them will want us to enjoy our time here, to compete, to have fun, to give everything that we have, and to enjoy every single moment of this weekend. These next few days are a living tribute to their legacies. I know that my older brother Kobe used to say, "Do epic things always." So let's have an epic weekend in their honor. Thank you.